Hello, my name is Ryan Siemens from Tierney, and this is going to be a short and sweet, quick, authentic demo of the Anywhere Cart wireless audio solution. So this solution is meant to support remote and hybrid teaching and learning. It also can be used for any type of distance-based communication through the video conferencing or meeting platform that you like to use, whether that's Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, etc. So basically what I have here is an attachment that goes into the 3.5 or the USB input on your computer. I also have the receiver here connected to the correct channel. And I also have a lapel right here. I know that's kind of hard to see, but a lapel right there. It also comes with some other attachments. So if you wanted to have a headset or something like that, you could. The main idea of this quick demonstration is just to show you the quality and the value of this solution. So what I'm going to do first and foremost is I'm just going to move around a little bit. I'm actually going to leave the field of view. This is just a static webcam that I'm using, but now I'm actually about 15, 20 feet away. I'm moving outside of the room that I'm in. I'm going to go ahead and come back. So the moral of the story is wherever I am in the room, as long as I'm talking, you should be able to hear me if you are attending from afar, again, a remote or hybrid scenario. Also, I'm going to show you the quality with the mask on. So I went ahead, put a mask on, same thing. As I move around, it really doesn't matter if I have a mask on or off. If I move around the room or around the space or the meeting space or the training environment, whatever it might be, even if I get out of the shot of the camera, you're still going to be able to hear me. So again, this is the Anywhere Cart rechargeable audio microphone solution that is really good for hybrid distance-based learning, distance meetings, etc. Again, I'm Ryan Siemens from Tierney. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at rsiemens, that's R as in Ryan, Siemens, S-E-M-A-N-S, at tierney.com. Or, of course, you probably have a good relationship with your Tierney account executive. Feel free to reach out to them as well. Thank you.